Have you ever flown a drone just for fun? What if that hobby could turn into a thriving business? Welcome to the booming world of drone photography and videography in 2024, a market that's soaring to new heights. Experts predict the global drone services market could hit over $63 billion by 2025. From capturing stunning aerial shots to revolutionizing industries, drones are no longer just toys, they're tools for profit. Today, we'll explore how you can ride this wave and turn your passion into a paycheck. So, where are drones making an impact? Real estate agents use them to showcase properties from above, giving buyers a bird's-eye view. Event planners capture unforgettable moments at weddings and festivals. Filmmakers rely on drones for cinematic shots once only possible with cranes or helicopters. And that's just the start. Agriculture and infrastructure inspections are jumping on board too. What's driving this growth? Technology. Drones in 2024 come with crystal-clear cameras, longer flight times, and smart features like obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, these advancements make it easier than ever to capture jaw-dropping footage. Ready to go from hobby to business? Step 1. Get licensed. In the US, that means earning your FAA Part 107 drone license. It's a must for commercial flying, and it's easier than you think. Study up, pass a test, and you're legal to earn. Step 2. Invest in the right gear. You don't need the priciest drone, but a solid camera and reliable model are key. Step 3. Build a portfolio. Start with free gigs for friends or local businesses to showcase your skills. A strong online presence, think Instagram or a website, will get eyes on your work. Of course, it's not all smooth flying. You'll face regulations, competition, and a learning curve. But with practice and persistence, the rewards are huge, both creatively and financially. Looking ahead, the future's bright. AI, 5G, and even better imaging are set to push drone businesses further in 2024 and beyond. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution in the making. So, what's stopping you? The drone photography market is growing fast, and there's room for you to take off. Grab your drone, get licensed, and start building your business today. Like and subscribe for more tips on mastering the skies. And let us know in the comments. Have you started your drone journey yet?